Hello, I'm Daniella Boateng. I study BSc Actuarial Science. I like to take whatever opportunity to learn. That's why I find myself at Blossom Academy. It's been an amazing experience here. The instructors are so lovely. They take their time to explain every single concept. And they are always open to answer every question you have, no matter how silly it might seem to you. In my current role, I serve as a client service associate, whereby I work on the monthly reports for our clients. Our main source of reporting was through Excel, and that was just the basic Excel with the tables and graphs all on the same page. By my time at Blossom, I've learned how to develop dashboards and even use Power BI, which has advanced my skills and made my reports very presentable and lovely to look at. To anyone looking to better their skills in data analysis, Blossom is the right place to be. I'd like to show my profound gratitude to Internet Society. You've been amazing sponsoring this program, providing us with data and food. Oh God, the data and food is something we always look forward to. You would always find our page blasting. When is the data going to come and what are we eating this Saturday? We are so much grateful and we appreciate your effort in sponsoring this program. May the good Lord bless and replenish all that you've spent. Amen.